Good morning. Today we're starting off with quiet weather, at least for now, but things will be changing pretty quickly as the wind picks up in advance of our next storm system that may bring some snow, some ice, and even, of course, that combo leading to some issues out on the roads. But until then, it's looking dry out there here this morning. You can see a little bit of that sunrise starting up on the eastern horizon here in Fargo. Traffic and travel will be okay here this morning as far as weather's concerned. We're looking at green across the board through the day today. We're staying on the dry side. But a couple of things to take note of is it's going to be pretty chilly out there when you are stepping out the door this morning, and that wind will be increasing. So that could be a factor for you out on the road as we make our way into tonight. Overall, though, looking pretty good here to start off your Monday, especially in comparison to where we will be into midweek with this storm system approaching. So winds are on the lighter side in the east, and we've seen them start to pick up out west. We're already seeing gusts into the 20s right now. Jamestown, our highest gust at 24 miles per hour. That wind coming in out of the southeast, so a little bit of warmer air moving in here as we make our way through the day today. Just keep in mind that with the stronger wind, it may just not feel much warmer than where we've been recently. And especially this morning, it's cold in our eastern viewing area, 6 degrees in Baudette, 9 in Bemidji. The rest of us into the teens to some 20s with that warmer air kicking in. But watch what happens when we factor that in here for our wind chill. It feels more like single digits to some teens everywhere here. So a chilly start to the day today, but Bemidji, 1 below your current wind chill right now. That is certainly the coldest spot here to kick off your morning. Radar and satellite map is quiet here. We're looking at some clouds taking over as the day goes on. And there is one area where we've had some snow showing up on our radar with a little bit of light snow up along the border potentially, maybe just a couple of flurries in that Cavalier and Pembina County areas. Beyond that, staying on the quiet side here for today as far as precipitation is concerned. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. Temperatures will be on the rise. We'll see some numbers getting into that 30-degree range by the time we're in the noon hour. And that wind also on the rise. We'll have gusts going into the 30s as we make our way midday, and beyond that up to about 40 miles per hour or so, especially in eastern North Dakota as we head into the second half of the day. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can see mostly cloudy skies, and as we look up north and east, that's where we're going to see some of our cooler temperatures into the low 30s there in northwest Minnesota, and much milder to the south and west into the mid to some upper 40s. Fargo around 41. Heading into this evening, because that wind is on the stronger side with these stronger gusts into the 30s to about 40 miles per hour, temperatures stay up. We're going to see those numbers by tomorrow morning into the 30s for most areas. So a milder start to the day. You can see some hints at moisture Tuesday morning. As the day goes along, here's a look at what we can expect. Tuesday afternoon and evening, we'll start with rain. We'll start to make that transition over. There is that potential for a little bit of freezing rain. The good news is temperatures should be pretty mild, so that may be a very brief period, but something to watch for. And then watch as we head into Tuesday night and overnight and into Wednesday. Change over to snow and combine that with some wind. We've got some trouble for your travel on Wednesday. Here's a look at our planner. Wednesday, a first alert weather day because of our issues with this system. Some accumulating snow possible. It's a complex one, so we'll continue to keep you updated on that. Once that clears out, this weekend actually looks pretty good. We'll get into the 40s and we'll be on the drier side. So some improvement on the way, but we have to get through the week.
Well, some good news there.